In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play the Popcorn Doodle game on Google Chrome in just a few easy steps. This is a quick and fun little game, and if you've never opened it before, don't worry. I'll walk you through the whole process from start to finish. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome is open, look at the search bar at the top of the browser and click on it so you can start typing. Next, type Popcorn Doodle game into the search bar and press enter. After that, you'll see the search results appear on your screen. Look for the official website result and click on it to make sure you're opening the right game page. When the official page loads, find the game itself and click on it. This should bring you directly to the interactive game screen. Now you'll see the play button, so go ahead and click play to start the Popcorn Doodle game. From there, you can begin enjoying the game and see how it works on Google Chrome. If the page takes a second to load, just be patient and wait for everything to appear properly before clicking. And that's it. You've now learned how to play the Popcorn Doodle game on Google Chrome. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.